what's up? In this episode of Hawkeye Marine, I got the engine running, the Evinrude 40 horsepower. Hey, so I got my coffee here. It's early in the morning. So the 40 horsepower Evinrude, I worked on getting it to run to see if it would run, just to see if I had any fuel leaks, if I needed to rebuild the carbs. The good thing with this engine is that whoever owned it, they ran it out of fuel. So it was good and clean. Got it to start up, and it was running rough, and I adjusted the carburetors, and you'll see a lot of that in this video. There's a couple reasons why I did that, and one is just to see, will it run? Before I ordered a lot of parts, and because basically the electronic switches were all gone. We don't know, a lot of things, like if the switch box, even though we were getting fire, how good a fire we had, just a lot of things like that, whether it would actually pee if we get up to temperature and actually open up a thermostat and pee, and we didn't have that, but it did run, and the video is me just basically adjusting the carbs. The engine did idle out and actually ran really good right at idle, and when I advanced it, the carbs opened up and it ran faster. So I don't know, I guess the short of this is gonna be a short little video, and it's basically me messing with the carbs. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera running when I got it, where it was running good, idling, and one turn of the key and it would just start up. I missed that one, but it doesn't matter because I've got a lot of parts ordered, and we'll get the switches working. We'll get the primer switch. I still don't know where it went on the engine. There should have been a location for that, but I have no idea. But the start switch is bad, and then the kill switch or stop switch was bad or is bad. Got those ordered, and those will be in, and I got a water pump ordered for it. But the good news is it actually runs really pretty good. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'll have more videos of this once I get it done. Well, how about that? We got it running.
Alright. Sounded pretty good.
It's getting there. Almost there. I should just kind of, I'm going to spray some carb cleaner in these two little holes right there to see if that changes it. Okay, I got it running and it's smoothed out. On the side of the carburetor, on both sides, on both carburetors, there's a little, what I think is like probably where it pulls air in. And it's a little screen. It's over the hole, so it creates a vacuum there. I took some carb cleaner and I sprayed the top one and one side of the bottom one because the VRO is in the way. So I sprayed carb cleaner in the top on both sides and on the bottom one, and then I couldn't get to the other side because the VRO is in the way, and I got it to run and it just stabled and stayed idle. I shut it off because I know we need to do a lower unit job on it, a water pump. I don't want to overheat the head, so shut it down. I'm going to go ahead and tear into it probably tomorrow, and I'm going to pull the VRO off, and I've got a fuel pump. I'm going to put another new fuel pump on it, or I may order another pump just so I have one. Either way, we'll figure it out, but I'm going to put a pump on it. That'll help it out, but it's a runner, so now we just got to figure out the rest. So anyway, we'll see you later.